Hello and welcome to Noble Learners, an online platform spreading knowledge. We are going to make a series of 100 questions, which would be very important for your ALEKS preparation. So this is the first question. Here you have to use the rule of PEMDAS, and we are going to solve this question. So first of all, in PEMDAS, the parenthesis will come. So therefore, we are going to deal with this parenthesis. So let's go ahead. You can see that there is a multiplication. So you can multiply both of them. So this is going to become this part I'm solving. So there is like negative and then there is a parenthesis. Now that's 5 and this is negative 2 and plus 3. So negative 2 times plus 3 will make actually plus 6, because like 2 times 3 will make 6 and negative will make a plus, and now that would be divided by 7. Okay, and rest of the thing you need to write as it is, and this is like 3 and now this is like negative 6, like that. I hope you are clear with this step. After that you again need to solve this parenthesis as you are solving. So this will make 5 plus 6, that will make 11. I'm writing at the top from here. Okay, so this whole part, when you solve this will make 11. Now your question will become negative 6 and now this is plus 3 and negative 4 and now this is like minus, and now instead of this whole thing you have a 11. So you could write 11 like this. I'm putting in a small parenthesis. Okay, and now divided by 7. Now let us apply the next rule. The next rule is we are actually solving the exponent, then multiplying and dividing. Multiplication and division are at the same level. When we go from left to right, whatever appear first, that operation we are performing at the beginning. So therefore over here, when I go from left to right, there is no exponent, so therefore this is discarded. Now there is a multiplication. I'm going to solve that multiplication, so that will become negative 6 and 3 times negative 4 will make negative 12. Okay, and now negative times this is like positive 11, so that will make a negative 11, and now that is being divided by 7. Now when we go from left to right, we are doing the division first. Okay, so when we go from left to right, we need to divide. So this will become like negative 6, negative 12, and this is like negative 11 divided by 7. This is how I could write. Okay, and now we can add or subtract. So these two I could add right now. So that is going to make like negative 18 and this is like negative 11 upon 7. Now we need to have a common denominator. When we have the common denominator, then also only we can solve. So here is like 1. I'll multiply 7 to make the common denominator, and therefore I need to multiply 7 here as well to make the common denominator. Okay, so I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by 7 to make the common denominator. And now 18 times 7 I'm going to multiply. So what that is going to make, 18 times 7 will make 126. So this will simply become negative 126 divided by 7, and this is like negative 11 by 7. Okay, and now we have the same denominators. Now we can add. So negative 126 and minus 11, like when there is negative and negative, we add, but logically we put the negative sign. So therefore that would be 126 plus 11. Like there is debit of 126 and again there is debit of 11. So you cannot have a profit. So you need to put a negative sign at the end, but you need to add. So that will be negative 137 divided by 7, and that would be your answer. So this is how you need to solve this question. I hope you understood the solution. If you want one-to-one tutoring for your ALEKS preparation, then you can visit our website or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. The number is given over there. So thank you so much. Here is our WhatsApp number. You can get the contact, and these are our website, and you can score better in your ALEKS examination. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.